guys, welcome to another video. I have some chickens here and a new LOL surprise. I can use some stuff sticking around. First we're going to show you our new chickens. So this one, the white one, is called Meadow. The cream one, you know, this brownish one, is called Caramel, and that one is called Brownbeak. They're all hens. They all lay eggs. So
when will they lay eggs?
in a few months.
They still have to grow up, hey?
Yeah, they're a bit crowded in here. This is what we took them in with. Couldn't get very much because we just went grocery shopping and then we got them. Yeah, we only got 3, but they're so adorable. And this one's mine. So we're gonna check out this LOL surprise. For those of you who don't know the series yet, it has a picture of the Our Cutie 35 plus to collect. LOL. Yeah. Series 3. You know, they usually do the bottles, but this one it's candy. I already opened it. I was so excited I opened it some way. 9 surprises. You get a secret message, stickers, accessory, an outfit, a water bottle, another accessory, a ring tattoo, confetti pop, and the doll. Add water for magical surprise. And that's about it. So, let's get started. Okay. This happens sometimes. The rest was pretty good. We got put the answer down in the comments. I literally have no idea what this is. Okay, so that.
I know what it is.
Don't tell me.
Does anybody know?
Sleeping doll? Okay, you tell us what it is. What is it? Sleeping Beauty?
Beauty sleep.
Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay, this one's hard, guys. Oh, got it.
Can we explain to the viewers that we just got these chickens today? This is what we used to move them here, and they're going to be in the new chicken tractor we're building that's being built at this very moment. And maybe at the end of the video we can show them the chicken tractor and the chickens in the tractor.
Yeah.
We'll do an edit. All right.
Yeah.
So, second layer.
I think, yeah. Stickers. So that we can either get spinning, color changing, tinkling, that means pee, and cry, and a mystery surprise.
All of these things?
Yep.
Those are all possible things we could get.
Yeah. Possible.
I know how this works.
Okay, let's get on to next.
Farm LOL kid, farm LOL kid, living in the forest, open LOL, barefoot on the porch kid, with her pet Meadow, Brownbeak, and Creamsicle.
You call it Creamsicle, I call her Caramel. I think Caramel suits her better.
What do you viewers think? You think Caramel or Creamsicle for our fine, our mid-range color friend? We got a dark, we got a light, we got in between. How you like that?
Yeah.
Look how pretty Brownbeak is, though. I think we can all agree that Brownbeak is a good name for Brownbeak. And did you know that Brownbeak also has
blue eggs?
Blue eggs and blue feet.
Oh yeah, I noticed that. She has blue feet.
She looks kind of like a hawk.
Yeah.
When she's a little baby, but she'll look more like a chicken later. They're so cool.
Yeah.
So
this is the ring tattoo. It's a little kitty. It's so cute. Okay, these instructions. So where's the first one? Where's the first one? Okay, so first you take the bullseyes off, spin, take out the surprise, look back, find the ribbon, pull, and pop. So we all know that. Oh, okay, I'll just show you them. Okay, see, 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 see. I don't know if it's focusing or not.
Right here, I'll do it again.
Okay, is it at number 1?
All right.
Okay, now we can just take this off. Take the bullseye sticker off. You can even see them. Just stick this to the porch right now. We'll take it off here. Oh, okay. Yeah, start here. Oh. Ugh. I just take them off. Some people don't. But I do. And it's easier to get them out.
The chicken spotted a flying thing. They're so interested in flying insects. Whoa!
What?
There's so many mosquitoes all of a sudden.
And none are biting me. What is that buzzing noise?
The best part. Look how strong these little chickies
Oh
are.
my gosh, I'm not even taking the surprises out. Guys, I was just taking them off. I wasn't even taking the surprises out. Ooh, we found our ribbon. Ooh, yay.
So we're gonna go confetti pop.
When we're done all the surprises, yes.
Oh, yeah, I have to get all those little things. Don't drop them between the porch
What?
slats now,
Oh,
farm
yeah.
kid.
Now, everybody stand back. Oh my God.
Oops.
So
This
guys.
is why you do this inside, folks.
Goodness. Okay. That was so fun. Oh my gosh, guys. That was so crazy. Okay, here's everything we got in that. Instructions. And here's our doll. Maybe we should open the surprises. We'll see if you guys can guess who it is. Can you guys guess just by the outfit? I know who it is.
Cute outfit.
Yeah. Hank, here's the... I have another sweater. Here is the sleeping mask.
Is this someone you like? Slumber party?
Slumber party. Woo! Boom.
Oh, she's gonna have a good sleep.
Her bottle.
Everybody needs to drink water. Even you guys. You got some water, right? There's some water you're drinking, but brown beak.
Oh, look at her
Yum.
shoes. Look at the yellow shoes. Oh, oh my God. Ta-da.
Don't lose them.
I know. I won't. Okay. The moment of truth. Oh, it's Snuggle Babe. Woo! She even has a little outfit under.
Snuggle babe.
Snuggle Babe. Snuggle Babe.
Oh, I like her hairdo.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Let's see her. Oh, yeah. And chubby little legs.
So let's dress her up. Oh my God. I can't even put her thing on. Ugh. Okay, Mommy might have to do this. Here, Mama. Can you put her outfit on? Here. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. Good, Mama. Isn't it hard?
Yeah. Not taking this one off anytime soon. Little snuggle babe. All right.
I get you gotten it
I
on.
think so.
Okay, good. Good, everybody. Buddy, this is good.
Good. We got our little shirt on. Let's see.
And
Almost all on. She looks so ready for a snuggle.
her name is Sleeping Baby. Wait, her name's Sleeping Baby. Okay, and back to Mama. Oh. I need to get my shoes on. Or let's say my slippers. Oh. Let's
Put your slippers on.
put my slippers. Oh.
Did you lose it? Did it fall? Okay, let's pause.
Oh my god, guys. I was so scared we were gonna lose it forever, but we found it.
We got it from under the porch. It was a big maneuver,
Yeah.
but we rescued the shoe.
Now where's your sleeping mask? Now where's your sleeping mask? Where did it? Oh, here it is. So we are gonna do the final reveal. Sleeping mask is harder than I imagined. Snuggle babe, snuggle babe, snuggle babe. Yeah. Oh my god, I need help again.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Okay.
But yeah, it goes over there and then it just clips in the back like that.
I know.
Right. I'm sure you could have done it.
So here's Uncle Babe. I can't see. Oh, okay. Where is everything? Okay. Oh, yep. Okay. Here you go. That's perfect. Now we need to get water. Okay. Let's just go over to the chicks for a minute. Well, I guess the water. Ooh. Don't show them that.
Snuggle bed and chicken party. Chicken's feeling pretty crowded. Got more room to turn around than a cat would in there. Pecking at Snuggle Babe.
I am back and I have icy water. Now let's see if this girl can pull a lot of color changes. Doesn't look like it, but she sure is cold. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay,
So she doesn't color change?
Nope.
Not hot or cold?
Nope. Oh, and she is. Oh, let's